Hello everyone, my name is Charice. I am your professor of microbiology. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Koch Postulates. First of all, who discovered the postulation process? It was discovered by the Robert Koch and Charice in 1884, and Koch and Robert Koch discovered these things in 1890. So why it was discovered? It was designed to establish a positive relationship between a microbe and a disease. It's basically four principles. First, microorganisms should be present in all cases of disease. Second one, isolation of microbes and growing in a pure culture. Third one, pathogens must cause disease when inoculated in a healthy host. The fourth one is re-isolation from the new host, and it should be same as the originally inoculated pathogen. You guys, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, say.
What was the topic?
What? Get out!
Oh, sir. Sorry, sir.
Get out!
Sorry, sir.
Hi guys.
Hello, bro. How are you? You are so late.
Yeah,
Class
bro.
is already
It's done.
finished.
I second. What we have in the microbiology lecture?
Yes, we studied about the topics Koch postulation.
Koch postulation? What is that?
This is a principle of culture. In this principle, discussed about the isolation of bacteria.
I don't understand it clearly. Can you explain one more time?
Yes, I have downloaded one video. I can show you that. Then it will be more clear. See?
Okay.
Have you ever wondered how things get sick? They get infections due to contact with microorganisms, which are living things too small to see without magnification. All living things, including plants, animals, and people, can get sick. Until the late 1800s, people didn't understand how or why things got sick. Some people thought they became sick because of evil spirits like ghosts. Other people thought maybe things got sick because of bad smells. No one knew what was causing them to get sick. Before the 1800s, people believed in spontaneous generation. This was the idea that some living things, like flies, can appear out of regular objects, like garbage. A French scientist named Louis Pasteur changed the way we understand the world using science. He proved that spontaneous generation was not true. Instead, he gave an explanation called the germ theory. Germs, which are microorganisms, are all around us. He demonstrated that they were capable of spoiling foods, like grapes, when they come in contact with them. There was nothing spontaneous about it. This idea inspired a German scientist named Robert Koch to ask if microorganisms were causing disease. He exposed animals to different microbes. Certain microbes cause the animals to get sick and even die. Koch came up with 4 rules called Koch's postulates that are still used by doctors and scientists to test whether a microbe is making an animal or plant sick. The first rule requires that the microbe always be present in the organisms showing symptoms, which are signs that something is sick. To follow the second rule, the microbe must be removed from the organism and grown outside its host. This is called isolating a microbe. The third step is taking the isolated microbe and using it to infect a healthy host. This newly infected organism must show the same symptoms as the original sick host. The fourth and final rule requires that you isolate the same microbe from the newly infected host. These 4 steps are known as Koch's postulates.
Now I understand clearly. It was an interesting topic. I missed it.
One day,